Welcome to Madagascar, a living laboratory adrift in the Indian Ocean where 90% of wildlife is found nowhere else, and evolution has run wild in splendid isolation. Madagascar isn't just an island, it's a microcontinent stretching over 1,600 kilometers and dwarfing countries like Spain and the UK. Its vastness and isolation, set adrift 88 million years ago, created a unique evolutionary playground. A central spine of mountains shapes the climate, splitting the island into lush rainforests in the east and arid plains in the west and south. Each region is a world of its own, with distinct environments and species. The island's size allowed life to diversify into countless niches, making it a true world of contrasts. Every valley and mountain range became a stage for evolution's grandest experiments. Madagascar's immense scale is the foundation for all the wonders we're about to explore. Madagascar is a patchwork of ecosystems, rainforests, savannas, and deserts, each with its own climate and cast of creatures. In the east, rainforests teem with life, their dense canopies alive with the sounds of insects, birds, and primates. Life here climbs, leaps, and glides through the Endangered Gardeners. Cross the highlands, and the land dries into woodlands and savannas, where survival hinges on enduring drought and waiting for rain. In the far south, the spiny desert emerges, an alien world of drought-resistant spiky plants. Even here, life thrives. Lemurs, reptiles, and insects have evolved ingenious ways to survive the heat and dryness. Each ecosystem is a testament to life's adaptability. Madagascar is a living mosaic, shaped by geography and time. Madagascar is a living museum. Over 90% of its wildlife is found nowhere else. Its species evolved in isolation, free from outside competition, filling every available niche in weird and wonderful ways. Ancient genetic lineages offer clues to Earth's evolutionary history. From unique baobabs to hundreds of frog species, every organism tells a story. But this uniqueness brings fragility. These species are specialized and vulnerable to change. Madagascar's biodiversity is a treasure, but one that hangs in a delicate balance. Evolution in Madagascar has produced marvels like the fossa, a cat-like predator descended from mongoose ancestors, now the island's apex hunter. The giraffe weevil, with its absurdly long neck, uses it for combat, not feeding while the female crafts leaf nurseries for her eggs. These creatures are living proof of evolution's creativity in isolation. From formidable predators to tiny engineers, Madagascar's wildlife is as bizarre as it is unique. Here, life's inventiveness knows no bounds. Madagascar's isolation made it a cradle of biodiversity, but also left it vulnerable. Human arrival just 2,000 years ago brought deforestation, invasive species and hunting, shattering the island's balance. Habitat loss, especially from slash-and-burn agriculture, is the greatest threat. Invasive animals and plants disrupt native ecosystems, preying on species with no defenses. Many iconic species are now critically endangered. Millions of years of evolution could vanish in decades. Madagascar's story is a cautionary tale, highlighting our responsibility to protect these irreplaceable worlds. Its paradise is fragile, teetering on the brink. Lemurs are Madagascar's most iconic residents, primates found nowhere else, descended from ancient ancestors. Over 100 species fill every niche, from tiny mouse lemurs to the majestic Indri. Some are nocturnal, others social and diurnal, each with unique adaptations. The Indri's haunting dawn calls echo through the rainforest, marking territory and strengthening family bonds. Lemurs are the island's gardeners, acrobats, and ghosts, a living testament to evolution in isolation. Their diversity is astounding, their presence vital to the forest. Lemurs embody Madagascar's uniqueness, thriving in a world all their own. Lemurs are more than a spectacle, they're vital to Madagascar's forests. As seed dispersers and pollinators, they help regenerate and shape the ecosystem. Some plants depend entirely on lemurs for survival, like the traveler's palm. Lemurs are keystone species. Their loss would unravel the forest, yet, over 95% of lemur species are threatened with extinction. Protecting lemurs means saving the entire forest and its intricate web of life. Madagascar is the global capital of chameleons. Over half the world's species live here, from giants to matchstick-sized pygmies. Chameleons' color-changing skin is more for communication than camouflage, signaling mood and intent. Their eyes move independently, giving a 360-degree view, and their tongues strike prey with explosive speed. These adaptations make chameleons master ambush predators. They thrive in every habitat, from rainforest to desert. Madagascar's chameleons are evolutionary marvels, perfectly adapted to their domain. Their diversity is a symbol of the island's creative power. The Avenue of the Baobabs is Madagascar's most iconic landscape, ancient trees towering over a dusty road. Some are over 800 years old, their massive trunks storing water to survive harsh, dry seasons. Their upside-down appearance is striking, and their silhouettes at sunset are unforgettable. These baobabs are the last remnants of a once vast forest, now surrounded by farmland. They stand as symbols of endurance and of the habitat loss that threatens Madagascar's natural wonders. The avenue is both a monument to nature's grandeur and a reminder of its vulnerability. The baobab, or mother of the forest, is a lifeline for Madagascar's wildlife and people. Its hollows shelter animals, its flowers feed pollinators, and its fruits nourish many species. For local communities, the baobab provides food, water, materials, and shade. It's a pharmacy, supermarket, and meeting place, woven into daily life and tradition. The baobab is revered as a symbol of endurance and spiritual connection. Its survival is deeply tied to the island's identity and future. The Tsingy de Bemaraha is a stone forest, razor-sharp limestone pinnacles rising over 100 meters. Formed by millions of years of erosion, it's a vertical wilderness, nearly impassable on foot. Despite its harshness, the Tsingy teems with life, rare plants, unique lemurs, and countless endemic species. Its maze of canyons and peaks creates micro-habitats for survival. Lemurs leap between spires, and specialized plants cling to the rocks. The Tsingy is a fortress of biodiversity, proving life's resilience in the most forbidding places. It's a geological and biological wonder, unique on Earth. Madagascar's people are as unique as its wildlife, shaped by migrations from Southeast Asia and Africa. This blend is seen in language, customs, and daily life, a rich cultural tapestry. Central to Malagasy life is Famadihana, a philosophy of kinship, community, and harmony. Traditions, taboos, and ceremonies honor ancestors and the land. The Malagasy are the human thread in the island's story, forging a culture in isolation. Their connection to nature and heritage is deep and enduring. Madagascar produces 80% of the world's vanilla, a crop that relies on painstaking hand pollination. Each flower blooms for a single day and must be pollinated by hand, a delicate task often done by women and children. The beans take months to mature and cure, developing their signature aroma through a slow, traditional process. Vanilla is vital to the island's economy, but the industry is fragile, vulnerable to storms, price swings, and climate change. The story of vanilla mirrors Madagascar itself, beautiful, ingenious, and deeply fragile. Its future, like the island's, hangs in the balance. Madagascar's 5,000 kilometers of coastline are fringed with pristine coral reefs, teeming with marine life. These reefs protect the land, feed communities, and host spectacular migrations, like humpback whales breeding offshore. Traditional fishing communities, like the Vezo, live in harmony with the sea, guided by tides and seasons. Their sustainable way of life is now threatened by overfishing and climate change. The reefs are underwater rainforests, vital, beautiful, and at risk. Madagascar's coastal realm is a world of wonder and fragility. In Madagascar's highlands, the Famadihana, or Turning of the Bones, is a joyful festival honoring ancestors. Families exhume and rewrap the remains of loved ones, celebrating with music, dance, and feasting. Ancestors are seen as active members of the community, their memory kept alive through ritual and reunion. The ceremony strengthens family bonds and connects past, present, and future. Famadihana is a celebration of life, kinship, and the enduring power of tradition. It's a moving affirmation of the Malagasy worldview. We've journeyed through Madagascar's wonders, from baobab avenues to stone forests, from lemurs to chameleons. This island is a living library of evolution, but its future is precarious. Deforestation, climate change, and poverty threaten its unique heritage. Losing Madagascar's biodiversity would be a loss for the entire planet. Its fate depends on conservation, community empowerment, and global recognition of its value. Madagascar's story is one of hope and resilience, a call to protect this irreplaceable world. This island ark is a treasure worth saving.